We're an integral part of improving the lives of people around the world. Key players in making the places where we work, play, live, manufacture, mine, produce energy, and move the world's goods. They are monuments to ingenuity and engineering. They are the amazing things we help build, the problems we solve. And while it's often what's finished that gets the glory, we've had a critical part to play along the way. Because before anything's made, there's work. Work made easier, more efficient, more productive, and profitable thanks to our machinery and our team. We're in markets around the world, incomparable experts in our fields, knowledgeable, responsive, helpful, and absolutely committed to uptime, getting the job done, and building a better future together.
I'm Ray O'Rourke. I'm the founder, the chairman and chief executive of Lang O'Rourke plc. Our relationship with Terex goes back for 20 years. It has been a very fruitful, very innovative relationship. A fleet of Terex equipment that has brought us to the forefront of markets across the globe. We had the big airport projects. We then had the Araha Beach project, which was about 100 tower cranes. And in Australia, we're leading some very large projects there. We have access to the very top of the company. It produces a very high quality product. What it has enabled us to do, working in close collaboration with Terex, is to build new business streams within our existing group. Our plant company is seen as one of the leading plant companies in the world, and it is very diversified. We have been able to reduce costs by working with Terex because their price point is very competitive in the global marketplace. It then enables us to pass that efficiency on to our client. We're always looking to work with organizations like Terex, who have an open mind, who are prepared to solve the problems that we have in a very, very smart way. It's a long-term relationship, and I see it getting better going forward.
My name is Ron Barnett. My title is Deputy Director. It's a family-owned company. The challenges we have are always well answered by Terex Port Solutions. Service, capacity, flexibility, trust, definitely. We started looking for a very good mobile crane. The flexibility of our company is our USP. And when you go to the biggest harbor in the Netherlands, which is Rotterdam, you have to come with a big crane, otherwise you can't compete. And we went to Terex Port Solutions with the question, please help us. We met this salesman. The kind of knowledge he had of the cranes, it was incredible. It's all state-of-the-art, latest available equipment. And we liked to listen to our crane drivers. They are actually the guys who work with the crane. They said, okay, this Terex Port Solution crane, this Godbolt crane, is absolutely the one we like best. Reliability, capacity, maintenance, all these things are so important to our company. Since we buy the Terex Port Solution cranes, our company has been growing. Last year we set a new record. We did 7.3 million tons. Right now we're able to go in the major league.
Name's Kenny Ewart, General Foreman at Broken Cross.
Alan Hiddleston, I'm Site Manager for Scottish Coal here.
It's the biggest open cast site in Britain. I've got 8 excavators, 37 large dump trucks, 8 coal trucks, 15 100-ton dump trucks. We'll pull out maybe about 3,000 tons of coal a day.
8,000-9,000 hours now, and we're still getting really good availability out of them.
That's where we save money. The minute they start standing, then that's costing us money.
Terex has made leaps in the last few years. They do go that extra mile to try and get the trucks out for us. The service we get for Terex is second to none. Getting to the machines quicker, breakdowns resolved quicker.
And a very quick response is excellent for us.
Our service is massively improved, but also so is our product. They're looking at driver comfort, they're trying different things.
The seat The suspension, it's got to be right.
Primarily, if you're not getting drivers on your side, you're fighting a losing battle.
They've started producing all-round visibility. The driver can sit in the cab, he can actually see the whole truck without getting out. On wet conditions, which we have in Scotland, the durability coming out ramps, the Terex truck will actually leave its competitor standing. The fuel efficiency is very important to our industry.
So it is primarily cheaper to run with the Terex truck than run with the Caterpillar truck. Outright cost of purchase, you're getting 3 trucks for every 2. The Terex brand keeps improving because they're listening to their customers.
Mein Name ist Henning Rohkamp. Ich bin beschäftigt bei der Siemens AG im Energy-Sektor am Standort Mülheim an der Ruhr. Besonders reizvoll in meiner Aufgabe sehe ich das gemeinsame Lösen mit meiner Mannschaft von technischen Problemen. Plus die Weiterentwicklung unserer technologischen anstehenden Herausforderungen. Wir sehen die von Demag gelieferten Produkte als zuverlässige Produkte, die unsere Anforderungen in hohem Maße erfüllen.
Mein Name ist Wolfgang Stein, Teamleiter am Siemens-Standort Mülheim in der Dampfturbinenfertigung. Demag-Produkte zeichnen sich aus unserer Sicht aus durch eine hohe Qualität, durch eine hohe Verfügbarkeit. Wir haben enge Geschäftsbeziehungen zu Demag, auch zu den Experten in den Abteilungen, die wir alle persönlich kennen. Sie kennen unser Geschäft sehr gut und die Technik, die Produkte, auch wie wir hier arbeiten. Wir haben also schon eine hohe Anforderung auch an die Präzision der Krane, an die Regelungstechnik. Insofern brauchen wir da spezielle Lösungen von der Demag. Also das zeigt, dass wir also weiterhin mit der Firma Demag zusammenarbeiten werden. Eine faire, vertrauensvolle Partnerschaft. Ich würde die Zusammenarbeit zwischen Siemens und Demag Terex Material Handling als faire, vertrauensvolle Zusammenarbeit über viele Jahre bezeichnen.
My name is Bo Bogus. I work for Foley Equipment Company in Wichita, Kansas. Been in business for over 50 years. We have been a customer of Genie Terex products and their aerial work platforms for approximately 13 years in both rental and sales. One of the things we benefit from in our relationship with Genie and Terex is their overall knowledge of the industry. We talk about focus on the customer, their willingness to do what it takes and allow all involved to be profitable. It's their overall ability to follow up, follow through, and meet our customers' needs. They continue to ask what they can do to be better, as well as take the steps to further build the relationship. A machine breaks down, they'll throw people on an airplane. They'll get equipment hot-shotted out to the customer as quickly as possible. It's just their desire to jump in and be involved in our business. Genie and Terex absolutely want to understand it and help us. Terex works day in and day out to help us maintain our relationships with those customers. We look forward to more opportunities.
I'm Audie Simmons, and I'm the Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Pike Corporation. Our headquarters is in Mount Airy, North Carolina. We do engineering and construction of all the entities in 42 states. We are also one of the largest electrical contractors in the industry. We have a fleet of over 10,000 rolling pieces of equipment. In Tanzania, Africa, we built 500 miles of distribution construction. Pike has been working with Terex Corporation for 55 years. How about that? When our customer calls, we got to be able to deliver. And Telelect has been our partner in that for years, providing good, dependable, reliable equipment, helped us to be productive. We've been asked over the years to add not one crew, but hundreds of crews within a 6 months' time. You've got to have partners in the equipment industry and to help you meet that demand. And whether it's helping us with redesigns or coming up with a new product, they've always had the resources there to do that. The types of equipment that we're using is constantly changing. And so we got to continue to work together to design products. And I think going forward, we got to continue to work together closely and meet those needs. Dependable, reliable partner. They're always there when we need them.
My name is Joseph Rich. I'm the CEO for Sunshine Recycling LLC here in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Recycling is really an exciting industry to be in. It's evolving and growing every day. We're producing 1,500 tons a day out of our Power Screen jaw crusher consistently. Our product is some of the cleanest and the best consistency in the industry. I personally have about 20,000 hours in the chair on a Terex Fuchs machine. It's an all-around, pound for pound, the best machine in the industry.
We have really centered our business around the Fuchs line. You'll see how integral they are to us. I can't stress to you enough how much the Fuchs product line has done for our company. Since 2005, there's been a Terex machine involved in it.
The whole reason why that we use Terex Fuchs equipment and Terex mining is because of additions in productivity. If you need to get a hold of anybody in operations, it's relatively easy to do so to get service and support. The availability of parts and service through Terex, it is the best in the industry.
You know, we had a HPR 160 main hydraulic pump go out in a machine. They put it on the truck the same day, drove all night, showed up that next morning, installed the pump, and by 12 o'clock the next day, the machine was up, operational in the field, moving scrap. Terex comes in and treats me like royalty and gives me a product not only that performs in the field, and then on top of it, you give me the service and support. You know, Terex has treated us like a partner, not a customer.
Integrity and follow-through.
Responsive.
Partnerschaft.
Dependable, reliable.
Service and excellence.
Trust, definitely.
It's a truly collaborative, transparent relationship.
We are your partners, bringing confidence to complexity, making the ordinary extraordinary, turning potential into prosperity. We are Terex, your partners in prosperity.